Imagine you're scrolling through social media, minding your own business, when suddenly a captivating video pops up. You're intrigued. It's a video of someone doing something extraordinary, something you've never seen before. And the best part? They're using an app called Beam. So, the question is Beam free to use? Let's dive in and find out. Beam is a popular live streaming platform that allows users to share their passions with the world. From gaming to music to cooking, there's something for everyone on Beam. But here's the million-dollar question: is it free to use? Key points. Basic features. Yes, Beam's basic features are completely free. You can create a channel, stream live, and interact with your audience without paying a dime. Advanced features. However, if you want to unlock advanced features like custom branding, revenue sharing, and exclusive perks, you'll need to subscribe to Beam Pro. Subscription costs. The cost of a Beam Pro subscription varies depending on your location and the specific features you want to access. But it's generally affordable, especially considering the benefits it offers. Free trials. Beam often offers free trials for new users, so you can test out pro features before committing to a subscription. Revenue sharing. One of the most exciting aspects of Beam is its revenue sharing program. If you're a popular streamer, you can earn money from your viewers' subscriptions and donations. Visuals. Throughout the video, use visuals to illustrate your points. Show clips of popular Beam streamers, demonstrate how to create a channel, and highlight the advanced features available to pro subscribers. Encourage viewers to try Beam for themselves. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, there's something for everyone on this platform. So, to answer the question, is Beam free to use? The short answer is yes, but there are additional features available for a fee. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to connect with people and share your passions, Beam is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.